Versus Aurea Archer Queen. Best to begin moving up on the outside. Count me in the middle portion. Magnum 357. Tawa-tawa. Colonial Store. Then followed by Amazing Cat. Yes, Kitty Charlotte. Casablanca and Silver Screen is the early trailer. We have Colonial Star running by the rail is Magnum 357. Count me in third. Tawa-tawa is racing in fourth. Archer Queen in fifth. Charlotte is racing in 6-7. Yes, Kitty, Casablanca, Amazing Cat. And Silver Screen still racing in last. Magnum 357, Colonial Star, Pargrad followed. Come in, Tawa-tawa in fourth. Archer Queen trying to get closer in fifth. And in sixth, Charlotte. Here comes Casablanca. Magnum 357, Colonial Star, Tawa-tawa, come in. Archer Queen is racing in fifth. Casablanca in sixth. And Charlotte. But it's still Magnum 357 by about 2 lengths. And in second, Tawa-tawa coming in Charlotte. Here comes Archer Queen as they come down at the last step of the year. And it's still Magnum 357 by about 3 lengths. And in second, Tawa-tawa alongside this Archer Queen. Magnum 357. Tawa-tawa is on the outside. But it's still Magnum 357. Second, Tawa-tawa, Archer Queen, then comes Charlotte, count me in.
Nirendahan ni Kelvin Abobo dito. Slight dihado ito. At masisegundo rito, numero 7 nating si Tawa-tawa. Darating din numero 2, Archer Queen. Entry number 3, Charlotte, and 10 horse, Count Me In. 5, 7, 2, 3, 10.